Let's dive into monthly themes. So monthly themes are there to offer and introduce novelty into your community, to preview progress, like, hey, this is how we're gonna get to our best year ever, and finally, to give your members a reason to return. Life is a series of ebbs and flows. When you have a new theme at the beginning of every month, it is another opportunity to reach back out to somebody who might have let life get in the way or didn't actually vibe with last month's theme. You don't want your monthly themes to be reliant on the previous month's theme, because you want members to be able to enter at any point in time. What's nice about monthly themes is it means that you can have an ongoing membership, because the themes are such that anybody can join in and share their stories, their experiences, their ideas based on that theme. So just as an example, the Quilty Nook. What do quilters want to talk about each month? They have different themes based on different forms of inspiration. So being able to get inspiration from book covers or from movies for your quilting. The Morning Meetup. This is for ambitious first-time business owners. And you can see here the same concept of monthly themes in a totally different application. April, love a nice financial planning month. Anything business related for taxes, back office, admin. Who doesn't like a nice vision planning in January? It's one of my favorite exercises. December, how do you celebrate? How do you take a break? How do you reflect on the year? This is how you create monthly novelty in your community. Watch the video here to learn how.